Good morning, class. Today we are going to work with the page 8 and 9. First, opener. Read food and drink, fact or fiction, and decide true or false. Discuss your answers with another student. Number 1. Bottled water is purer than bad water. Number 2. A vegetarian diet is the healthiest. Number 3. Eating cheese gives you nightmares. Number 4. Dried fruit is not as healthy as fresh fruit. Number 5. Margarine contains less fat than butter. 6. A food label that includes the words low fat indicates a healthy choice. 7. Neither fruit juice nor diet drinks are bad for your teeth. 8. Experts disagree with each other about what healthy eating. Now we are going to match statements 1 to 8 in exercise 1 with text 8 to 8. Then listen and check. A. In fact, the main messages about healthy eating have stayed the same for some time. For example, 20 years ago, experts were saying that we should reduce the amount of fat that we eat, and over 50 years ago, they were emphasizing the importance of fruits and vegetables. They appear to disagree because the media often exaggerate when reporting scientific research. B. In fact, both are. Fruit juice contains sugar, which can damage your teeth. Diet drinks are often acidic, which means that they can cause tooth decay. The best drinks for your teeth are water or milk. C. As part of a balanced diet, we need to eat at least 5 portions of different fruits and vegetables a day. It doesn't matter whether they are fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. But fruit juice only contains as 1 portion a day. The only thing that dried fruit lacks and fresh fruit has is vitamin C. But both are equally healthy. D. It often seems from advertising that this is true. However, while butter and margarine contain different kinds of fat, they both contain a similar amount of fat. E. It's not what you eat, but when you eat that matters. Scientists agree that it's not a good idea to eat just before you go to bed. You can't relax properly while you are digesting food. F. It depends. Vegetarian diets can be very healthy, but if your vegetarian diet consists of French fries and cookies, then that's a different matter. Make sure that your diet includes food with the protein, vitamins, and minerals you normally get from milk. G. Not at all. Your products must contain 25% less fat than usual, so people suppose that they are okay, but these types of foods are often very high in fat to start with, so a low-fat product can still have a high amount of fat. H. This is a popular myth. Some people think that bottled water tastes or smells better, but there is nothing to prove that it's always purer than tap water. In fact, in the US, it's believed that 25 to 30% of bottled water comes from tap water. And do you realize that bottled water can cost up to 10,000 times more than tap water? So now what we are going to do, we are going to match number 1 to 8 to the reading letter A to H. We have number 1. Bottled water is purer than tap water, it's letter H. H. Number 2. A vegetarian diet is the healthiest, it's letter F. Number 3. Eating cheese gives you nightmares is letter E. Number 4. Dried fruit is not as healthy as fresh fruit is letter C. Number 5. Margarine contains less fat than butter, it's letter D. A food label number 6 that includes the words low fat indicates a healthy choice is letter G. Number 7. Neither fruit juice nor diet drinks are bad for your teeth is letter B. 8. Experts disagree with each other about what healthy eating is letter A. Now, after reading, we are going to answer the questions. Question number 1. Which of the statements 1 to 8 in exercise 1 are true, which are false, and which could be true or false? None are always true. Statements 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are false. 1 to 6 could be true or false. Number 2. Why do experts appear to disagree about healthy eating? Because the media often exaggerate when reporting scientific research. Number 3. What were experts saying 20 years ago? They say that we should reduce the amount of fat that we eat. Number 4. What does advertising make us believe? It makes us believe that margarine contains less fat than butter. Number 5. Why is it a bad idea to eat late in the evening? Because you can't relax properly while you are digesting food. Number 6. What is an example of an unhealthy vegetarian diet? French fries and cookies. Number 7. Why do people think that low-fat products are okay? Are they right? They think they are okay because they contain 25% less fat than usual. They are wrong because these types of foods are often very high in fat to start with. 8. Why do some people prefer bottled water? They think it tastes or smells better. Now, for speaking, we're going to make groups for discussing these statements with another students using verbs from the word bank. Now, these are the topics. The best way to lose weight is to skip a meal. Healthy food is boring and expensive. I like junk food. What's wrong with that? I take vitamins so I don't have to worry about what I eat. It's not a good idea to go swimming right after a meal. Eating lots of carrots helps you see better in the dark. Now, some people believe in skipping meals, but they soon feel hungry and eat lots of snacks. I prefer to eat normally and get exercises. This is the word bank. Verbs not usually used in progressive forms. These verbs are also called static verbs, los verbos estáticos, que tampoco se usan en la forma progresiva, los tiempos. Now we have the writing part. Read the text in exercise 2 again and write 2 paragraphs about junk food. Paragraph 1. Why do some people choose to eat junk food? Paragraph 2. Why is too much junk food bad for you? Now we are going to complete the grammar workout. Fruit juice contains sugar. It often seems that it's true. It doesn't matter whether they are fresh or frozen. People suppose that they are okay. They think that bottled water tastes better. Many of these verbs refer to states, including mental states. Example think, rather than actions or the senses. Example taste. Modal verbs can, do not have progressive form.